Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your Android, make sure battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted, and open Settings. Once in Settings, go directly to Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where Sync controls live. Tap the specific Google account that holds your contacts. You'll see a list of syncable items. Make sure you're targeting the right account, because changes affect only that Google profile and not local or other accounts on the device. Once you've selected the Google account, locate the Contacts Sync toggle and switch it off. This stops new contacts from syncing to your phone. If Android asks whether to remove already synced contacts from the device, choose the option that fits your goal, typically confirm or delete from device if you want them gone locally. Make sure to glance at other toggles like Calendar or Drive so you don't unintentionally disable something you still need synced. Then back out to save the changes. Finally, verify the Unsync. Open the Contacts app and use Contacts to display to confirm Google contacts are no longer shown. If contacts still appear, clear the Contacts app cache or force stop it, then reboot the phone. If that fails, remove and re-add the Google account and repeat the toggle off step. One key troubleshooting tip. If sync seems stuck, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds then off to force a network refresh and check sync status again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.